For our Bring a Trailer bidders, we'd like to show a cold start of our 1995 Buick Roadmaster station wagon. This is a 5.7-liter detuned Corvette motor, which was original to this car. We don't normally get excited about station wagons, but this car is just an incredible time capsule. 59,000 original miles. All the lights are off, everything works on the car. Engine, of course, is smooth and quiet. Exhaust is clear. The condition of this car is just outstanding. It's really a time capsule car. Good luck bidding.